Hey guys, I think we're live here. Not sure. This is our first time to do a live, so kind of bear with us here. I'm Kelly from Chestnut Junction, and we specialize in primitive patterns for primitive dolls, primitive crafts, and stitchery embroidery patterns. This is one of our patterns right here. If anybody's in here with us, if you want to type hi, my husband, that's Chris. Hi Chris. He's manning the chat. This is our first live. We have not done this before, so not sure what we're doing. Yeah. I want to apologize too for the janky wall back there. We didn't break into somebody's, abandoned house. That's that's our wall. We've been in this house for 2 years now, and this is the only room we have not gotten to. This is a spare bedroom, my craft room. We've remodeled all of the other rooms in the house, and this is the last one left to do. But we're full in here, full of stuff. Where we're gonna go with it so we can get this wallpaper done. Actually, we need to rip off wallpaper, and I think we're gonna do the beadboard paneling in here. Here again, not sure if we have anybody in here yet. We all alone. Nobody loves us. Or he's screwing it up back there.
No comments yet.
Okay. Well, like I said, this is our first live. Today's a holiday. Happy Labor Day, everybody. You guys are probably out eating burgers and hot dogs. Plus, we just said probably an hour or so ago. Oh, Jody Raider. Hello, Jody. Hello, Pam. Hey, honey. The comments are popping up on my screen.
That's good to know.
Yes, we got 2 people in here. We're trending. But today I wanted to go over the biggest thing I get questions for, and that is, how do I sew a dress together? And we're just going to do the shirt on this video. Hi, Jerry. Thank you. Oh, and then you're not allowed to say S-H-A-R-E. You're not allowed to say that, so you have to say sprinkle. So if you guys could sprinkle the love for me. And then if you don't already like my page, can you like my page too? Because that helps me out. Hi, Tammy. Oh, we got to get back to why I'm here for this video, because I could just sit here and rattle on and talk to you guys. What sunflower pattern? For the wood? If you guys want to see wood patterns, I can do wood patterns. I don't know if anybody buy them. Oh, I get off track here. We're here today to do a shirt for a dress, okay? And my pattern piece, whenever I give it to you in the pattern, you can see like this. It says fold here and fold here. Sunflower with the bee. Fabric. Sunflower with the bee. I'm confused on that one. Do we have a sunflower with a bee? Okay. Back to the shirt. When we're doing this shirt pattern, this confuses people. I get this all the time. I mean, almost once a day. I show you a fold up here, and I show you a fold right here. And I get emails that say, that's impossible, we can't do that. You can do it. I'm not saying I do my patterns like everybody else does it. You could pick up somebody else's pattern, and they don't do their dresses this way. I do my dresses this way. So when you get a shirt pattern, this is what your shirt pattern is going to look like. So I'm going to turn you down take your Dramamine if you need it, because I don't know how smoothly this is go. But I'm going to turn you down to show you how you get this fold on your shirt. So let me do this.
FYI, this is only considerable delay, by the way. So if we decide to cuss or something goes wrong.
Okay, can y'all see me? I don't even know if my lighting's good. Okay, so am I in kick? Honey, am I in focus?
You still haven't gotten there yet. It's on a delay.
Oh, he's on a delay over there. I'm in focus on my camera. I'll wait till y'all get in focus here.
Okay.
We got 12 people in here. We're trending. Okay. Oh no, number 12 just left. I must have said something offended him. Sorry. Okay. So we've got our shirt pattern piece, and we're gonna try to get these 2 folds. Basically, this shirt piece, the way we're gonna have to fold, this is doubled, if you can tell this. Okay, it is double the size of the shirt pattern. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do to get this fold across the top here is we're gonna bend this down. So see, we're folding from top to bottom. Oh, see, now we're down to 8. I'm boring people already. Okay. So then, now we got this fold pattern piece. Now we got this fold that's going across the top. Right? So then, to get the second pattern piece, the second fold, the one that's right here, we're going to take and we're going to fold from left to right. So we're going to bring this in. Everybody understand? Is everybody understanding this? Do I need to do this again? Do you now see how we have folded? Bring them, huh? Okay. Now we got, actually, see? There's two folds on top and 1 fold there. Okay? So I'll tell you what I'm going to do here real quick. Just to make sure we're getting this right. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and lay this pattern piece in here. And I'm going to pin it in place. Ouch. Don't poke yourself with the pins. Right, that extra piece, gone. All right. Do you see how this is pinned down here now? But I am going to do this one more time. Okay? We have our, and I tell you how much you need for the shirt pattern for painted pattern. But we have our piece of paper, or a piece of fabric. Then we are first going to fold from top to bottom. We folded from top to bottom. Okay? Then we are going to fold from left to right. Okay? So we actually have 2 folds up on the top, and we have a fold there in the middle. I'm going to lay our pattern piece. Okay, we've now laid our pattern piece on this folded fabric. So this sleeve at the top where it says fold is up against 2 folds. Okay, and then this is up against, see, the fold in there. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this down again. Then we're going to go and cut out our pattern. Cut the fabric. I need to be doing this where you guys can see it. I'm acting like nobody's here. Ooh, okay. Extra fabric, toss it to the side. Okay, so now we've got this cut out. Is this, honey, is this light like shining too bright, giving us glare?
No, it's good.
Is that better? Or is light back on? I don't know. Okay. You're also going to see there's a little notch there that says neck opening, okay? So right now, where it says neck opening, see the little right there? Okay. We're going to go ahead and give that like, through both layers, we're going to give that a little snip. Okay, just little, just tiny little snip, like, I don't know, less than 1/4 of an inch. Okay. So now we are going to take our pattern piece off. All right. Throw that to the side. So now we open it up. See, we have a shirt. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and pin these to keep it together. And we're going to sew this together. So I've got my sewing machine right here. And hopefully, well, let me do this first. We're going to go to the sewing machine. What we're going to do is I tell you in the patterns to sew under the arm and along the side. So that's on each side. So when we go to our sewing machine, we are going to sew under the arm and along the side. Under the arm and along the side, okay? We are going to leave the sleeve, this is the cuffs, these are sleeve cuffs. We're going to leave those open, and we're going to leave the bottom open, all right? So we're going to go over here to our sewing machine. Okay. I don't know if you guys, can you guys see this? I don't know, okay. Whenever I'll get to that. Boy, honey, we need to get better at being able to see this. Just sewed up one side. You're gonna, it's like a, you're giving yourself about 1/4 of an inch here from the edge. Okay. Okay. All right, so we just sewed the shirt together. So can you see this? We sewed under the arm, then down along that side. Left the bottom open, and we sewed under the arm and down along the side. So I'm going to clip off my threads here. Yeah, like this is our first live. Wanted to get in and get our feet wet. But I think that we're going to have to learn how to get some better camera angles here. Okay, so that's all sewed together. Took the pins out. Now, do you remember those neck slits that you cut? Actually, you only cut one when it was folded like this. Before we removed the pattern piece, remember we cut a slit. It went through both layers for the neck opening. Okay, so now we're gonna take our scissors. Now make sure you're pointing your scissors in, not towards, don't go towards the end of the sleeve. You want your scissors pointing in. So we're going to put our scissors in there and we're going to snip until we get to that other opening. See how there's that other opening that we pre-cut. So that's as far as you want to go. Just going to go ahead and do that. This is another thing I do. Before you turn this out, you have your corner here in your armpits. That's what they are, in the armpits. To make your dress, that arm just give a little bit more movement, some motion. You're going to want to take, and don't go through your sewn line, but just go and give this like 3 little snips here. One in the middle. Can people see this? And one on each side. And then we just did that to the other side. So see, we gave it, we didn't go through the sewn line, but we gave it, you know, see, now the sleeve moves. So we did that on both sides, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, bear with me here. Oh, hi! Where were you guys? I've been here the whole time. We're gonna go ahead and open up our shirt here. Does anybody have any questions about the shirt? Just gonna mess with it a little bit, get it all opened up here. There you go. That was from this. Okay, so like it says, anybody have any questions about the shirt before we go ahead and wrap this up? Okay, I'm gonna come. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe tonight. I don't know. Cause I'm actually working on a doll right now. That's what this is for. I will come back and show you how to do the skirt piece, and we'll put the whole thing together. But yeah, this, boy, I get questions on that one all the time. So hopefully you guys know how to make that fold now. Thanks everybody who came in and spent some time with us today. If you could sprinkle the love, that would be much appreciated. And if you don't already like our page, yay, you know, we'd like it if you like our page. You can find our e-patterns at our website, www.chestnutjunction.com, and our Etsy shop, www.etsy.com/shop/Chestnut Junction. Thanks, guys. You have a good day. Bye-bye.